In this video, I am going to discuss a question from the topic definite integration. The question is, let Sn is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to n k square plus n square whole divided by n cube, and Tn is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 k square plus n square whole divided by n cube for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, option A, Sn is less than 4 by 3, option B, Tn is greater than 4 by 3, option C, Sn is greater than 4 by 3, and option D, Tn is less than 4 by 3. Now, I am going to give approach how to solve this type of problem. Now, what is given? It is given that Sn is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to n k square plus n square whole divided by n cube. Taking n outside the sign of sigma, it is something like this: k square plus n square whole divided by n square. K is equal to 1 to n. If we proceed this further, what we find? We find this as 1 by n sigma k is equal to 1 to n 1 plus k square k by n whole square. Now let us suppose fx is equal to 1 plus x square. If fx is equal to 1 plus x square, what can we write? We can write Sn as 1 by n sigma k is equal to 1 to n f of k by n. Now, if we proceed this further, what we find? We find this is 1 by n f of 1 by n plus f of 2 by n plus f of 3 by n till f of n upon n. Now, what about 1 by n into f of 1 by n? What about f1 by n, f of 1 by n? What does it mean? 1 by n, f of 2 by n, 1 by n, f of n by n. What does it mean? It means these all represents area of each part. This is 1 by n. What about this? This is f of 1 by n. So this is area of this rectangle. And what about this? This is 2 by n. And what about this point? This is f of 2 by n. So area of the second rectangle. So this is f of 3 by n. This point is nothing but f of 3 by n, and this is 1 by n. So what I did here, I simply divide this 1 unit length into n equal part. Each part of length 1 by n, 1 by n, 1 by n. And what about this? This area is again f of 4 by n into 1 by n, and finally f of n by n into 1 by n. So this is the geometrical meaning. Now what can we say? This is, if this is a1, this is a2, this is a3, this is a4, and this is what, an. This is sum of all the areas of rectangle a1 plus a2 plus a3 till an, and this is what? This is graph of 1 plus x square. So this a1 plus a2 plus a3 this is Sn. So what can we say? Sn is always greater than 1 plus x square into dx. Integration limit is from 0 to 1. So what can we say? Sn is greater than 1 plus 1 by 3, matlab 4 by 3. So Sn is always greater than 4 by 3. Now we need to calculate the value of Tn. Now I am going to give the approach how to solve for Tn. Now Tn is equal to k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 k square plus n square by n cube, taking n outside the sign of sigma. So it is 1 by n k square plus n square whole divided by n square. And we can also represent this Tn as 1 by n 1 plus k by n whole square. By the same manner that we use for finding Sn. So fx is equal to 1 plus x square. So Tn is nothing but 1 by n, k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 f of k by n, and this is what. Now what is the geometrical significance of this 1 by n f of 0 by n plus 1 by n f of 1 by n till 1 by n into f of n minus 1 by n? Now I am using this graph to explain the geometrical significance of this 1 by n f of 0 by n, 1 by n f of 1 by n till 1 by n f of n minus 1 by n. Now This is graph of fx is equal to 1 plus x square here. What about this area? f0 into 1 by n. Say this is this area. And what about this area? Say this area is a1 dash, a2 dash. So all the areas I'm just setting the areas of different rectangle. What I did, simply divide this one into n equal parts. Length of each part is 1 by n, 1 by n, 1 by n. So this is nothing but f of 0 by n. F of 0 by n, f of this area is a1 dash. This is how much? a1 dash. What about this? a2 dash. This is a3 dash, a4 dash, a5 dash, an dash, and so on. So this is Tn. So what can we say? Tn is less than x square plus 1 into dx, 0 to 1. Therefore Tn is less than 4 by 3. And Sn, what we obtain? Sn is greater than 4 by 3. So what about the answer of options? So answer option is C and D. Simply divide the whole area into whole this length 1 into n equal part, each part of length 1 by n. So this area a1 dash is 1 by n f of 0 by n, 1 by n f of 1 by n, and this is less than, this graph is y is equal to 1 plus x square. This area is less than 1 plus x square dx. So hope you understand the solution and also understand how to approach this type of problem. Thank you and see you in next video.